Have you ever wondered why certain people from your past suddenly cross your mind, again and again, even after years? It's not always random. Sometimes Allah allows memories to resurface for a reason. In today's video, let's uncover the spiritual meaning behind these thoughts through Mufti Menk's timeless wisdom. We often think about people who once mattered, a friend, a loved one, or even someone who hurt us. These recurring thoughts can confuse us. We wonder, why can't I forget? But my brothers and sisters, Allah reminds us that nothing in life happens without His divine wisdom. Mufti Menk beautifully explains that sometimes, when someone from your past keeps returning to your thoughts, it's not about them, it's about you. It's Allah's gentle reminder to reflect, to heal, or to forgive. Maybe that person played a role in shaping who you are today. Maybe they taught you patience, humility, or the pain that pushed you closer to Allah. These memories are not always meant to reopen wounds. Sometimes they're meant to close them completely. When your mind wanders to the past, ask yourself, what emotion comes with it? If it brings peace, perhaps Allah wants you to be grateful. If it brings pain, perhaps He wants you to forgive. And if it brings longing, maybe He's teaching you detachment. That true comfort is found not in people, but in Him. Mufti Menk reminds us that hearts are connected through Allah's will. He places love and He removes it. When a connection lingers in your thoughts, it could be a test, a reminder to purify your heart from attachment to creation and to return your focus to the Creator. Sometimes we hold on to people longer than we should because we confuse emotional need with divine purpose. But when Allah removes someone from your life, He replaces their space with peace, if you let Him. The key is not to dwell on what's gone, but to trust that Allah knows what's best for your soul. You see, thinking about someone doesn't always mean you need to contact them. It may mean you need to pray for them. Mufti Menk often says, the best way to move on from someone is to make dua for them sincerely. When you pray for their goodness, you free your heart from bitterness and transform your pain into reward. And remember, dear brothers and sisters, sometimes Allah allows a memory to return so that you can see how far you've come. What once broke you may now no longer control you. That's growth, and it's beautiful. So the next time you remember someone from your past, don't rush to erase the thought. Instead, pause and ask, what is Allah teaching me through this memory? Maybe it's forgiveness. Maybe it's gratitude. Maybe it's closure. Or maybe it's simply a sign that Allah healed you, and you didn't even realize it. Let your thoughts guide you back to reflection, not regret, because every person who enters your life, even briefly, is part of your divine story. Some are blessings, others are lessons, but all of them are written by Allah's perfect pen. So whenever the past visits your heart, don't resist it. Reflect, forgive, and move forward with peace. Remember, Allah never wastes a single emotion. If it comes to your mind, it's meant to refine your soul. This is Spirit Deen. May Allah purify our hearts and grant us calmness and closure. If this reminder touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spirit Deen for more soul-healing Islamic reflections. Let's end with a prayer. Ya Allah, heal my heart from every pain of the past and fill it with peace, faith, and contentment. Comment Ameen below if you felt this message speak to your soul. And remember, what Allah removes, He always replaces with something far better.